Need to measure elapsed time, track workout intervals, time a task, or record how long something takes? Windows Clock includes a built-in stopwatch that makes timing activities simple. Yeah, in this guide, I'll show you how to use Stopwatch in Windows Clock in 2026, including how to start, pause, record lapse, and reset the stopwatch. First, open the Start menu and search for Clock. Select the Windows Clock app to launch it. Once Clock is open, choose Stopwatch from the navigation menu. To begin measuring time, click the Start button. The stopwatch will immediately begin counting upward from 0. You can use this to measure workouts, study sessions, tasks, experiments, or any activity where you need to track elapsed time. If you need to record intervals while the stopwatch continues running, click the lap button. Each lap records the elapsed time at that moment without stopping the stopwatch. Yeah, this is useful for tracking multiple sections of a workout or comparing different intervals. When you want to temporarily stop the stopwatch, click pause. Your elapsed time will be saved, so you can return later and click Start again to continue timing from where you stopped. After finishing your timing session, use the Reset button to clear the current stopwatch time and lap records. Once reset, the stopwatch returns to 0 and is ready for a new session. You can use Stopwatch for many everyday activities. For example, time a workout, measure how long a task takes, track study sessions, or record intervals during practice. I mean, because it runs directly in Windows Clock, you don't need a separate timing app. And that's how to use Stopwatch in Windows Clock in 2026. With Start, Pause, Lap, and Reset controls, you can easily measure elapsed time and track multiple intervals. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next tutorial.